We use this as a path anyway, so
Yeah, you can see we ended up overbuying these pavers for that project actually.
Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody.
So in today's video, we're repurposing some pavers so we can make a new path in our garden.
Yeah, we're super excited. We've been wanting to launch this project for a while, so today's a perfect weather day to do it. But before we get into all that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video we post.
So you might have some materials laying around your garden, laying around your yard that you don't know what to do with, so this might be a great way for you to reuse those materials to make a new garden path. So guys, here we are in the front yard, and you can see we're over by our large raised bed here where all our tomatoes were that we've been showing you this past summer. It's wide open, and we use this as a path anyway, so we thought, why not make a path here, make it more formal.
Yeah, you guys, you can tell we've been using this path for a while, or maybe you can't, but we can see it from where we're standing. We have some plant material on either side, and we just sort of started walking across here to get to places faster.
So let's go over here and let's look at some of our materials we're going to use. So you can see we've got a level, we've got a couple shovels and a rake, a rubber mallet, and a piece of wood to help with leveling out these pavers. And these are the pavers we've got right here. So we've used these throughout the garden for different projects. And so what we want to do is we want to use these because they're just sitting around and taking up space. And we thought these would be great for a paver path.
Yeah, you can see we ended up overbuying these pavers for that project actually, where we made our nice round beds, and we just had a ton of extra, and so we've been able to repurpose it around our yard in a couple different ways.
So everybody, the plan is to clear this area, get it dug down a little bit so we can then place these pavers down and get them positioned and level, and then we'll fill in around them with some mulch, and then it'll be done.
Okay, you guys, we're really happy with the way it turned out. We love that we have a stable surface to walk on now, and it just looks nice.
Yep. This was a great way to repurpose this material. And if you have any questions for us, leave them down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yeah, that's a wrap, you guys. We'll be back tomorrow on our weekly live at 5 p.m. Pacific time Wednesday.
See you there.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.